So in our previous video, we covered the Videolytics tool located here on the right-hand side of your browser. This is a tool that comes with TubeBuddy, a browser plugin that you can download using the affiliate link down below if you don't already have it. So in the last video, we reviewed everything that you see here on the far right-hand side, except for the two buttons at the top, Compare and Tools. So we'll go through them now. The first one is the Compare box. If you click on that, it will give you an opportunity to compare this video to this channel's most popular video, your channel's most popular video, or a specific video that you can select by entering the ID or the URL for the video. When you click Compare, it brings up a screen like this. So you'll see that there are two videos being referenced at the top. On the left, you'll see it has an outline of sort of a purple color, and on the right it has an outline of a gold color. And then in the summary down below, you can see that it is comparing the numbers for these two videos, where the video on the left isn't doing quite as well. The video on the right in the gold outline, you can see those gold bars are quite full, and they have more views, comments, likes, and dislikes there. In the social section, you can see that the bluish, purplish color video has 12 likes on Facebook, whereas the gold one has 62. Neither video has any upvotes on Reddit, and the gold video has 7 mentions on Twitter versus 1 for the bluish-purple video. Again, if you notice the box next to upvotes and mentions, you click there, and it will open another window that will show you all the times that the video has been mentioned either on Reddit or Twitter, respectively. You'll also see down below there are now 2 sets of tags for the videos. So you can compare the tags that were used on one video versus the other, and using the Copy To box in the bottom right-hand corner, you can copy that to your clipboard for whatever you might want to use it for. There are also 5 functions under the Tools button, and we'll be going through those one by one, starting with the Social Monitor. The Social Monitor shows you where this video has been shared on various social media platforms. As you can see here, this shows you where it's been shared on Twitter. And if you were to click the option that says View Results on Twitter, you would actually go to Twitter and see all these shares there, which you could then like or retweet or respond to as appropriate. There are also search positions. This gives you some information about how the tags are ranking. You'll notice on the previous screen, it showed the order that the tags were listed. This lists them by how well they're performing in search. The Share Tracker is not really a tracker. This is more like a sharing tool. This is an opportunity, if you were to click on the Facebook icon or the Twitter icon, it would open up a window where you can share this video on that social media platform. Then there's the vid-to-vid promotion. So what's this? What is a description promotion? Well, if you click on the what's this, it will actually tell you. This is an opportunity to promote your video, maybe your most recent upload, for example, by altering the descriptions of all your other videos to link to and mention this new video. It can be a great way of boosting a new video that you've just uploaded, especially if you have a substantial back catalog that supports this content. There's also the Advanced Video Embed. So you select certain options here, including resolution, and at the bottom it will create an embed code that you can then copy and paste onto a website or perhaps a message board or somewhere else to share the video in an embedded way that should be playable on that website. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and remember to subscribe with notifications turned on so you can be notified when we go live. We do live channel reviews, tutorials, and your Q&A, but we don't always have a whole lot of notice that we're able to give on those. They happen on very short notice, so if you have notifications on, you'll be able to join us in chat, and hopefully we can review your channel then. So I look forward to seeing you then, and thanks for watching.